got another one of my favorite cars we're going to be selling there. It's a 53 Buick Skylark Convertible. This car is like brand new. The car's a white car, red interior. The engine compartment is like it came off the showroom floor. Actually, it probably looks better than when you came off the showroom floor.
I love these cars. These were Motorama cars of the day, very futuristic.
This car is very unusual. If you look at the chrome, the detail of this car, the way they built these cars.
Now this is not resto modded. This is restored, absolutely correct.
Everything is stock. They even have the old sticker when they put it on, when the Buick used to put the antifreeze in it.
It's got the old nail head in it. It's got power steering, well optioned car.
Absolutely.
For the day. You think of back in 1953, all the options that it has on it. It's way ahead of its time. This rivaled, if not was better than a Cadillac of the day.
This was unbelievable.
Beautiful restoration on it. All the chrome. Skylark wire wheels on it. These were made just for Skylarks. This was one of the kings of the road.
When they seen you in this car, they figured you had some money.
Great car, John. Look forward to seeing it at the auction.